Hey buddies, welcome back to next session. We'll learn thumb roll in this session. Thumb roll is one of the most important basic Flair move. It will take around 45 minutes to learn this move completely. We can make this thumb roll move into two directions, forward and backward. We can perform this move with bottle, tin, peg measure, bar spoon, muddler, glassware and anything. Equipment should be readily available. Our hand shaker and bottle should not be wet while using. This step could be used to start the flare and end the flare. First we need to grab the shaker at the end and push toward back side with your thumb like this and grab with left hand. After complete this move, just go for next move. It will, when you are pushing toward back side, make sure your four fingers will be open like this. When you open your four fingers, the shaker should be completely rotate and get into your hand. This move can be performed with both the hands. Same like right hand, we need to practice with left hand. First we need to practice like this, backward, toward backward. Grab in right hand, like this. After complete this move, just we need to open with four fingers and complete your move. Till now we are done backward. For backward we catch at base. Now I am showing you how to do forward. For forward we need to catch at top. Top means open area like this. And we need to push forward. When you are pushing forward, make sure you put on pressure on thumb and open your four fingers. When you open four fingers, just push little bit. It will get like this. It will rotate like this. Make sure it should be performed with both the hands. Same how we done with right hand, we'll do with left hand also. Like this. Till now we are done two variations thumb roll, backward and forward. Now I will show how to perform both the moves at a time. Backward thumb roll and forward thumb roll. Move looks like this. It should be performed with both the hands. Same. Till now we are done with the shaker. Now I am showing to you how to do with bottle. A bottle I am catching at base. Same like shaker, how we done with shaker, same like with bottle also. When you are doing backward, make sure you to grab at base and push toward back side and grab at neck. Same thing we need to do forward also. When you are doing forward, make sure you need to grab at neck and push towards forward and grab at base. Same thing. Move looks like this. Front and backward. Forward and backward. This move can be performed with both the hands. From left hand, how we done with right hand, same thing with left hand. Just we need to push backward like this and grab the neck, and we need to do forward and grab the base. Move looks like this. After practicing with practice bottle, when you're confident with practice bottle, just go through with glass bottle. How we done with practice bottle practice? Now you need to practice same with glass bottle. The move looks like this. Same, left hand. After practice with both the hands, a move looks like this, backward and forward. You must practice daily to become perfect.